divide 433 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 0. We put down this 3 and remove 0. 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting, it is 1. Again we put down this 3 and it is 13. 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting, it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put decimal so that we take 0. And 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, it is 0. So 433 divided by 2 is 216.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.